All right, we're at NRA 2025. We're at the ATC or PACT booth. So this is a company we don't see at the NRA show very often, or maybe ever actually. So I felt like it was worth showing you what they make. This is ATC or American Trigger Company, the ARGold Trigger. And this, in my opinion, is the gold standard of AR-15 triggers. So they make it in a flat or a curved. It's a drop-in trigger. They make a couple of versions, but the best one is adjustable, so you can actually adjust this down, and it doesn't work like other AR triggers. You can actually see right here how it releases, and it has like the shortest reset of any trigger you have ever felt. So I shot competition with this trigger for years and probably have, I don't know, maybe 3 different barrels that I wore out with this trigger, and I still use the exact same trigger on my main gun. Still works great. Been completely reliable, but this is the trigger. So if you haven't seen an ARGold trigger, check this thing out. Pretty cool. It's also got this feature in here where if something happens and it's released off the primary sear, there's actually a secondary safety that catches it and doesn't allow it to go off. So anyway, it's really easy to install. Just 2 pins, drop it in, push it back, and you've got a match grade awesome trigger.